Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I have covered the 50 toughest vocabulary words from UPSC CSAT 2022 paper. For every word, I have given you the pronunciation, the Hindi meaning, the English meaning, and the exact sentence from the paper so you understand the context. So let's begin without wasting any time. The first word is alleviate. Alleviate means to reduce a problem or make a suffering less severe. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है कम करना. In the paper, it was used in the following sentence. Some developed countries have begun to alleviate the worst effects by expanding recycling and investing in public transport. The next word is hampered. Hampered means to be hindered or obstructed. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है बाधित होना या रोका जाना. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence. Most developing countries are hampered by the high cost and low availability of clean energy sources. The next word is tendencies. It means inclinations or trends towards something. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है प्रवृत्तियां या रुझान. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence. Unless the forces and tendencies which are responsible for destroying the country's environment are checked. The next word is denuded. Denuded it means cleared of vegetation or covering. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है वनस्पति रहित. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence. Afforestation of denuded areas is taken up on a massive scale. The next word is mainstay. Mainstay means the most important element or the chief support of something. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है मुख्य आधार. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence. Agriculture, which is the mainstay of our people, will gradually become impossible. The next word is grim. Grim means very serious, worrying or harsh. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है भयंकर या गंभीर. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence. A grim reminder of the consequence of large-scale deforestation. The next word is lush. Lush means richly covered with green vegetation. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है हरा भरा या घना. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence. Where only a few decades back there used to be a lush green forest with perennial streams and springs. The next word is presume. Presume means to suppose something to be true without proof. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है मान लेना या अनुमान लगाना. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence. In politics, we presume that everyone who knows how to get votes knows how to administer a state. The next word is competence. Competence means the ability to do something successfully and efficiently. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है योग्यता या दक्षता. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence. A guarantee of specific preparation and technical competence. The next word is eloquent. Eloquent means fluent and persuasive in speaking or writing. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है वाक्पटु. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence. We do not ask for the handsomest physician or the most eloquent one. The next word is debatable. Debatable means open to discussion or argument, not settled or certain. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है विवादास्पद या बहस योग्य. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence. The debatable methodology used to count the poor. The next word is notion. Notion is a concept or a belief. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है धारणा या विचार. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence. It exclusively relies on the notion of poverty as insufficient income. The next word is deprivations. It means the lack of basic necessities. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है वंचना या अभाव. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence. If poverty is ultimately about deprivations affecting human well-being. The next word is impoverished. Impoverished means made poor or lacking money or basic resources. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है दरिद्र या गरीब. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence. Poverty of a life lies not merely in the impoverished state in which the person actually lives. The next word is constraints. Constraints are the limitations or restrictions imposed on someone or something. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है बाधाएं या प्रतिबंध. In the paper, it appeared as the lack of real opportunity given by social constraints as well as personal circumstances. The next word is meager. Meager means lacking in quantity or quality, very small. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अल्प या थोड़ा. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: even the relevance of low incomes, meager positions. The next word is curtailing. Curtailing means reducing or restricting. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है कटौती करना. In the paper, it was used as their role in curtailing capabilities. The next word is staples. Staples means the basic food commodities that are the main part of a diet. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है मुख्य खाद्य फसलें. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: the productivity of staples such as rice and wheat has reached a plateau. The next word is plateau. Plateau means a state of little or no growth after a period of progress. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है ठहराव या स्थिरता की स्थिति. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: the productivity of staples such as rice and wheat has reached a plateau. The next word is affluent. Affluent means having a great deal of money. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है समृद्ध. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: much of this change is brought about by the affluent farmers in the West or Americas. The next word is anticipate. Anticipate means to expect or predict something before it happens. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है पूर्वानुमान लगाना. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: natural selection cannot anticipate future environments on the earth. The next word is catastrophes. Catastrophes means sudden events causing great suffering and damage. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है विपदाएं या आपदाएं. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: the set of existing organism can never be fully prepared for environmental catastrophes that await life. The next word is attributed. Attributed means something regarded as caused by a particular factor. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है कारण माना गया. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: this failure to survive can be attributed to the genomes which are unable to withstand geological vagaries. The next word is vagaries. Vagaries are the unpredictable or erratic changes. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अनिश्चितताएं. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: genomes which are unable to withstand geological vagaries or biological mishaps. The next word is mishaps. Mishaps are the unlucky accidents or minor disasters. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है दुर्घटनाएं. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: geological vagaries or biological mishaps, infection, diseases, and so on. The next word is creationist. It means a person who believes species were divinely created and not evolved. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है सृष्टिवादी, ईश्वरीय सृष्टि में विश्वास रखने वाला. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: the creationist doctrines fail to satisfactorily address why a divine creator will firstly bother to create millions of species. The next word is doctrines. Doctrines are a set of beliefs or principles held and taught by a group. In Hindi, it means सिद्धांत, मत, आस्थाएं या विचारधाराएं. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: creationist doctrines fail to satisfactorily address why a divine creator will firstly bother to create millions of species. The next word is refuted. It means proved to be wrong or false. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है खंडन किया गया. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: to date, no single evidence has refuted either of these central two main Darwinian ideas. The next word is thrive. Thrive means to grow or develop vigorously. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है फलना फूलना. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence, man's spiritual element cannot thrive. The next word is leisure. Leisure means free time or time when one is not occupied. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है फुर्सत या खाली समय. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence, he finds it very difficult to spend his little leisure in serious activities. The next word is overstrain. Overstrain means excessive strain or overwork. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अत्यधिक बोझ. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence, the great evil of our age is overstrain. The next word is conversely. Conversely means introducing a contrasting or opposite idea. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है इसके विपरीत. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence, the demographic dividend is basically a swelling in the working age population, which conversely means that the relative ratio of very young and the very old will for a while be on the decline. The next word is elevate. Elevate means to raise to a higher level, position or status. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है ऊंचा उठाना. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence, this should help elevate our growth rate. You should note that this is different from the first word that we read, which was alleviate. This is elevate. The next word is tedious. Tedious means too slow or dull. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है उबाऊ, नीरस, थकाऊ. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence, much leisure is apt to be tedious except to those who have intelligent activities and interests. The next word is poignant. Poignant means evoking a keen sense of sadness or regret. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है मार्मिक या हृदय स्पर्शी. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence, children's fear are poignant, their miseries are acute. The next word is acute. Acute means present to a severe or intense degree, sharp and severe. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है तीव्र या तीखा. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence, children's fear are poignant and their miseries are acute. The next word is skeptical. Skeptical means not easily convinced. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है संदेहवादी. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence, perhaps we are too cautious, too anxious, too skeptical. The next word is proposition. Proposition means a statement or assertion put forward for consideration. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है प्रस्ताव या कथन. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence, their joys are clear and complete because they have not yet learned always to add but to every proposition. Their joys are clear and complete because they have not yet learned always to add but to every proposition. The next word is cautious. Cautious means careful to avoid potential problems or dangers. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है सावधान या सतर्क. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence, perhaps we are too cautious, too anxious, too skeptical. The next word is industrious. Industrious means diligent and hardworking. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है परिश्रमी. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence, facts collected for him by uninspired but industrious researcher. The next word is uninspired. Uninspired means not showing creativity or imagination, dull and routine. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है नीरस या प्रेरणाहीन. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence, facts collected for him by uninspired but industrious researchers. The next word is fruitful. Fruitful means producing good or useful results. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है फलदायी या लाभदायक. In the paper it appeared in the following sentence as the basis of some fruitful generalizations. The next word is futile. Futile means incapable of producing any useful result. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है व्यर्थ. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: there is a risk of the whole business becoming merely futile. The next word is resilient. Resilient means able to withstand and recover quickly from difficulties. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है लचीला. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: how best can the problems of floods and droughts be addressed so that the losses are minimal and the system becomes resilient? The next word is skewed. Skewed means unequally distributed. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है असमान. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: this skewed water ability has to be managed and regulated for its consumption throughout the year. The next word is extrapolated. To extrapolate means to extend a conclusion or a trend beyond the known data into an unknown area. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अनुमान से आगे बढ़ाना. An example sentence would be: this analogy cannot be extrapolated to the non-leisure population also. The next word is perpetuate. Perpetuate means to make something continue indefinitely. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है बनाए रखना. An example sentence would be: only species that have the ability to overcome environmental catastrophes will survive and perpetuate. The next word is viability. Viability means the ability to work successfully. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है व्यवहार्यता. An example sentence would be: due to the large capital expenditure associated with such dams, their viability in seismically active zones. The next word is riparian. Riparian means relating to or situated on the banks of a river or stream. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है नदी तट संबंधी, नदी किनारे का. An example sentence would be: the disturbance of the ecosystem of riparian regions. The next word is categorically. Categorically means in an absolute unqualified manner. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है स्पष्ट रूप से. An example sentence would be: the first line of the passage categorically states that the right of social order is the basis of all other things. That's all the 50 words from the UPSC CSAT 2022 paper. If you watched the video till the end, you already know the pronunciation, Hindi meaning, English meaning, and the exact usage from the paper. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment and subscribe for more UPSC CSAT vocabulary sessions. Thank you and all the best for your exam.